How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to hide friends on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to hide friends on Snapchat, then all that you have to do is make your Snapchat account as private as possible so that none of your friends will recommend to users outside your Snapchat. So to start with, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now go ahead and tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings page of Snapchat. In here, scroll down and navigate to the Privacy Controls tab and firstly, tap on the See My Location option. Make sure the ghost mode is enabled. If not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for ghost mode. Now go back and tap on the Contact Me option and make sure that the Friends option is selected. Lastly, go back again and tap on the See Me in Quick Add option and make sure the toggle button for Show Me in Quick Add is toggled off, and this is how you can hide friends on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.